Here is the first video of my very rough hammer I made for this thing. Hammer needs a lot of work, but it is working, kinda sorta. Need to put me a little thing on there to hold the cap. Maybe find some cap gun caps to put on there. I don't know. Anyway, this is my long john. All routed out for the push rod, ramrod. Got a lot of work to do on this cock and lever too, but main part's cut out. Haven't even started the buttstock yet. We'll get there. Got a little doodad on the forestock. That's brass under the green tape. Got your day glow sights cut in there. Down that barrel. Lordy. Gotta do something for a front sight. Sorry for the crazy video. Here's the carbon fiber barrel I made for it. Actually, two pieces of carbon. Got countersunk magnet on this end to hold the BB. On the muzzle end, just comes out carbon fiber. This was a stock 1938B Red Ryder. My wife bought me just for this project that I chopped up to make this long drink of water here. I think it's going to look pretty neat when it's done. The gun was shooting 280s in stock configuration with the barrel, stock spring, my abutment that I made and put in, soldered the abutment into the gun, closed up that little porthole right there. Really no modification inside at all other than the barrel. Like I say, it was shooting 280s, just no modification. Now it's shooting 450s easily, I think, with a super spring in it. This is another 550 foot per second rifle. Time will tell. If it don't, it don't. It's going to be more of a conversation piece than anything else, probably. Doubt I ever take it home. Alright, well, as someone else would say, that's it for now, folks. See you later.